Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your grade on Google Classroom. So let's have a look now. Go to classroom.google.com using a web browser and sign in with your student account. Click on the class for which you want to check your grades. Look for assignments or quizzes that have been graded by your teacher. Open the graded assignment by clicking on it. You might see your grade and any comments or feedback provided by the teacher. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.